Well, the Canada Border Services Agency has launched an investigation into alleged dumping and subsidizing of renewable diesel from the U.S. into the Canadian market. And host of Real Ag Radio, Shaun Haney, joins us now with the very latest on this. Shaun, good to talk with you today. So what is the basis of this investigation? Give us some background.
Yeah, great to be with you here this morning. So the Canadian Border Services Agency, they've announced the investigation on March 6th, which is yesterday, following a complaint filed last year by Calgary, Alberta-based Tidewater Renewables Limited. So the agency says that it's going to investigate whether renewable diesel from the U.S. is being dumped or at least subsidized, and will make a preliminary decision within 90 days here on this matter. So the investigation, according to CEO Jeremy Baines of Tidewater, he says this is an important step in leveling the unfair trade environment and offsetting unfair trade practices that have caused a flood of subsidized and dumped renewable diesel into Canada. Now, remember, according to USDA, here's the significance of the volumes. Canada's renewable diesel imports in 2024 grew to 1.382 million liters. That's up from 851 million in 23, and it was only 380 million in 2022. The company claims this is being driven by the Government of Canada's clean fuel regulation.
Interesting. So if successful, what could the potential duties be on this?
So Tidewater was quoted as in their release saying that if final duties are imposed at the levels expected by management, there could be values between 50 cents to 80 cents per liter of renewable diesel imported from the United States. And these duties would support long-term market stability for Tidewater Renewables, according to the company. So, pretty significant if in 90 days we find out that they are successful in their claims.
Let's go more into this and what it plays into the retaliatory tariffs, or does it play into that at all?
Yeah, good question. So now renewable diesel is not on the list of retaliatory tariffs that Canada put out here in the last few weeks. So biodiesel, though, is on the list. $125 billion worth of U.S. products that Finance Canada has proposed applying a 25% tariff to in retaliation to the Trump administration. Now, here's an important point. Since Tidewater's complaint was filed prior to Trump taking office and the March 4th tariffs, any countervail or anti-dumping penalties would be on top of counter tariffs. So an important thing to keep in mind.
Wow, that is a lot to keep up with. That's host of Real Ag Radio, Shaun Haney. Appreciate your time today. And you can catch Shaun on his show, Real Ag Radio, which airs at 4:30 p.m. Eastern on Rural Radio, Channel 147 on Sirius XM, and we will talk to him again on Monday on Market Day Report. And that Real Ag Radio update brought to you by Economics, and you can go to nutrient-economics.com for the latest crop nutrition and research information.